Have you ever held a piece of gold, maybe a ring or a coin? It shines, it feels valuable, but its true story is far more extraordinary. Gold's journey began not in the earth, but in the violent heart of dying stars. When massive stars reach the end of their lives, they explode in supernovas, forging heavy elements like gold in a split second of cosmic chaos. These gold atoms, born in stellar explosions, drifted through space for eons before becoming part of the cloud that formed our solar system. The gold in your jewelry is literally stardust, a relic of ancient cosmic violence. All the gold ever mined would fit into a cube just over 22 meters on each side, rarer than you might imagine. Every crown, coin, and circuit could fit in a space smaller than a tennis court. This rarity, born from the chaos of dying stars, is why gold has captivated humanity for millennia. It's not just shiny, it's a piece of galactic history. When you hold gold, you're holding a fragment of the universe's most dramatic events. Its cosmic origin is the first clue to its enduring allure. Gold is more than a metal, it's a tangible link to the stars. That's why, for thousands of years, we've treasured it above all else. The story of gold is the story of the universe, written in your hand. From the moment humans first found gold, it's been a symbol of power and beauty. Gold doesn't rust or tarnish, it remains brilliant, untouched by time. Ancient cultures saw this incorruptibility as a sign of divinity and eternity. Across continents, civilizations crowned their leaders and honored their gods with gold. Gold became the standard of wealth, the foundation of empires, and the fuel for exploration. Its allure shaped history, driving conquests and discoveries. Even today, gold is a universal symbol of value, understood everywhere, by everyone. Central banks still hoard it, trusting its stability when currencies falter. Gold's value isn't dictated by governments, it's recognized worldwide. In a digital age, gold remains a timeless store of value. Its journey from exploding stars to your hand is key to understanding its place in your future. Gold is more than an investment, it's a piece of cosmic security. Next, we'll see why this ancient metal is more relevant than ever. In the early universe, only the lightest elements existed: hydrogen, helium, and a trace of lithium. Stars became the universe's first factories, fusing these elements into heavier ones. But even the largest stars could only create elements up to iron. Making gold required something far more violent than ordinary stellar life. For years, scientists thought supernovas were the main source of gold. These explosions do create some heavy elements, but not enough to explain all the gold we see. The numbers didn't add up. Supernovas alone couldn't account for gold's abundance. The search began for an even more powerful cosmic event. Astronomers realized something rarer and more energetic was needed. The true birthplace of gold had to be found elsewhere in the universe. This mystery led scientists to look beyond supernovas. The answer would reveal gold's most dramatic origin story. The universe had one more trick up its sleeve. The real gold factory was about to be discovered, and it would change our understanding of the cosmos forever. The secret to gold's origin lies in neutron stars, the ultra-dense remnants of massive stars. Sometimes two neutron stars orbit each other in a cosmic dance, spiraling closer over millions of years. When they finally collide, the explosion, called a kilonova, unleashes unimaginable energy. In seconds, a flood of neutrons bombards atomic nuclei, forging gold, platinum, and other heavy elements. This process, the R process, is the universe's ultimate alchemy. In 2017, scientists detected gravitational waves from a neutron star collision and saw the telltale glow of a kilonova. Analysis revealed the spectral signature of freshly created gold and platinum. This discovery confirmed that most of the gold in the universe comes from these rare, violent mergers. The gold in your ring was likely born in such a cosmic collision. It's a direct link to the most extreme events in the universe. Gold is not just rare, it's the product of the universe's most powerful forces. Every piece of gold is a relic of a neutron star collision. That's what makes it truly precious. After being forged in a kilonova, gold atoms drifted through space, eventually joining the cloud that formed our solar system. As Earth formed, heavy elements like gold sank to the core, leaving the surface nearly gold-free. So how did gold end up in the crust, where we can mine it? The answer? a cosmic delivery. For hundreds of millions of years, Earth was bombarded by asteroids rich in gold and other heavy metals. These impacts deposited gold in the planet's crust, making it accessible to us. Every gold nugget or flake you find is extraterrestrial, a gift from ancient asteroids. Gold on Earth is the result of a cosmic rain billions of years ago. That's why it's rare but not impossible to find. Each piece of gold is a fragment of the universe's history. When you hold gold, you're holding the aftermath of cosmic collisions and asteroid impacts. Gold's journey to Earth is as remarkable as its creation. It's a treasure delivered from the stars. Gold's cosmic story is only part of its magic. Its physical properties set it apart from all other elements. Gold is a noble metal, meaning it's exceptionally unreactive. It doesn't rust, tarnish, or corrode. It remains brilliant for millennia. Ancient gold artifacts look as fresh today as when they were made. Gold's atomic structure makes it nearly impossible to degrade. This permanence inspired trust. Gold could be buried for centuries and still shine. That's why it became the ultimate store of value. Gold's stability isn't just about beauty, it's about reliability. It's hypoallergenic, making it perfect for jewelry worn close to the skin. You can wear a gold ring for a lifetime, and it will remain unchanged. Gold's chemical stubbornness is why it's been treasured for thousands of years. It's an element that embodies eternity. Gold is more than precious. It's a piece of the universe that never fades. Its unchanging nature is the foundation of its value. When you hold gold, you hold a small piece of eternity. Gold's defining trait is its incredible density, almost twice as dense as lead and over 19 times denser than water. Even a small gold coin feels surprisingly heavy in your hand, a physical proof of its value and authenticity. This heft comes from gold's tightly packed atoms, forged in the violent collision of neutron stars. Gold's weight is a reminder of its rare cosmic origins, and why it's trusted as a store of value. Gold's beauty is rooted in physics. Unlike other metals, gold's unique yellow glow comes from Einstein's theory of relativity, making its electrons move at incredible speeds and absorb blue light. Gold is the most ductile and malleable metal. 1 ounce can stretch for kilometers or cover vast surfaces. Its resistance to corrosion and superb conductivity make it vital in technology, connecting us through history, devices, and even to the stars. Gold truly lives up to its legendary status. Long before gold became the foundation of economies, it was an object of wonder. Our ancestors found gleaming nuggets in rivers, soft, untarnished, and eternal. Gold's permanence made it magical, a symbol of the divine and a promise of immortality. The Egyptians saw gold as the flesh of gods, crafting treasures like Tutankhamun's mask to guide souls to eternity. In the Americas, the Inca called gold the sweat of the sun, using it for sacred rituals, not currency. Across continents, gold's beauty and permanence made it a universal symbol of power, purity, and eternity. Gold's journey from sacred symbol to universal money shaped civilizations. Its rarity, divisibility, and incorruptibility made it the perfect store of value and medium of exchange. Ancient coins like those from Lydia and Persia standardized trade and built empires. Rome's power rested on gold, funding armies and monuments. Across history, gold has been the ultimate measure of wealth and the language of power and trade. Beyond its use as currency, gold has always retained its powerful symbolic status as the ultimate emblem of both sacred authority and earthly power. In religious traditions, its purity and unchanging nature made it the perfect material for sacred objects. In Christianity, golden chalices are used to hold the wine symbolizing the blood of Christ, its preciousness reflecting the sanctity of the sacrament. In Buddhism, golden statues of the Buddha represent the purity of enlightenment and the eternal nature of his teachings. The domes of mosques and churches are often gilded, reaching towards the heavens as a shining testament to faith, a beacon visible for miles around. This association with the divine was seamlessly transferred to earthly rulers. Kings and queens adopted gold to project an aura of God-given authority and absolute power. They wore golden crowns not just as jewelry, but as symbols of their sovereignty, a direct link between their rule and the heavens. They sat on golden thrones, held golden scepters, and lived in palaces adorned with gold leaf. This display of immense wealth was a clear and unambiguous message to their subjects and rivals alike. Their power was absolute, their reign was glorious, and their dynasty was as enduring as the metal itself. Gold became the visual language of monarchy, a spectacle of power understood by all. The symbolism of gold extends beyond rulers and into our most cherished personal milestones and achievements. We award gold medals to our greatest athletes to honor their supreme accomplishment, a recognition that they are the best in the world. A gold medal signifies a level of dedication, skill, and victory that is unparalleled. In matters of the heart, we exchange gold rings to symbolize marriage, a promise of eternal love and unwavering commitment. The ring's unbroken circle and the medal's incorruptible nature perfectly represent the vows being made, a love that will not tarnish or fade with time. Gold marks the moments that matter most. Even in our modern, more secular world, this deep-seated symbolism endures. When a company wants to signify the highest standard of quality, it offers a gold standard service. A musician's album goes gold when it achieves a milestone of commercial success. This language is embedded in our culture, a shorthand for excellence, purity, and ultimate value. Whether held in the hands of a priest, worn on the head of a king, or placed around the neck of an Olympic champion, gold continues to be our most powerful symbol for the sacred, the sovereign, and the supreme achievements of humankind. Gold isn't just for crowns and treasure, its hidden shine powers our modern world. Your phone, laptop, and TV all rely on gold's perfect conductivity and resistance to corrosion. Even a microscopic layer ensures reliable connections, critical for technology and even life-saving devices. From pharaohs to smartphones, gold's eternal quality makes it the backbone of our digital age. In our fast-paced world, gold's most ancient and visible use remains its most popular: jewelry. Gold's deep, warm luster and brilliant shine have captivated humanity for millennia. Its color flatters every skin tone, and it's worn to celebrate life's most important moments. A gold wedding ring can be worn for a lifetime, passed down through generations, a symbol of enduring love. Across cultures, gold jewelry is tradition, celebration, and personal wealth. Gold jewelry links us to our past and remains a cherished part of our present. Gold is the bedrock of global finance, stored in the silent, heavily guarded vaults of central banks. Unlike paper money, gold is a finite asset with value recognized everywhere. In times of crisis, gold provides stability and trust when faith in currencies falters. For investors, gold is a vital tool for diversification and security. In a complex world, gold remains a solid foundation of value that endures through any storm. In investing, there are calm periods and there are storms, times of uncertainty and crisis. When markets tumble, investors seek a safe harbor. For thousands of years, gold has been that safe harbor, holding its value when other assets fall. In crises like 2008, gold's price soared as trust in stocks and banks collapsed. Gold's value is inherent, independent of companies or governments. For investors, gold acts as financial insurance, providing stability and peace of mind when you need it most. Inflation quietly erodes your wealth, making your cash worth less over time. While central banks can print more money, gold's supply is limited. Historically, gold has been a powerful hedge against inflation, its value rising as currencies lose purchasing power. That's why, for long-term security, many turn to gold as a reliable store of value. Including gold in your investment strategy can help shield your wealth and preserve its value for the future. Investing can seem intimidating, but the key is building a balanced, diversified portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Gold is a unique cornerstone thanks to its low correlation with stocks. When stocks fall, gold often holds steady or rises, helping smooth out your returns. Think of gold as the foundation of your investment house, steady, strong, and essential for long-term balance. Where does gold come from? We journeyed across space and time to discover its cosmic origins. Forged in the collision of neutron stars, gold is a rare gift from the universe. Its rarity and beauty have shaped civilizations, economies, and cultures. Gold remains a symbol of stability and value, treasured across generations. It is a piece of the cosmos, enduring, unshakable, and timeless. Today, gold is more than a commodity. It's a unique asset with a story and purpose. In uncertain times, it offers stability and a foundation for your financial future. By investing in gold, you join an ancient saga, connecting your well-being to a legacy that has endured for millennia. In a changing world, gold remains a constant, an anchor for peace of mind and lasting value. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more insights on gold and investing.